Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with your very last screencast video for week 8. This is it, folks. The course ends Saturday on August 5th, 11:59. All major assignments have already been scheduled to close at that time. After that date and time, I will no longer accept any coursework for grading, so please be aware of that. This week, I should say this week's activity is basically the responses for discussion board 11. I'm going to scroll on down here. As you can see here, discussion board 11 initial post was due on today, Sunday the 30th. Responses due by Tuesday, end of day. Then the next due date is Friday the 4th, where the final draft of your research paper is due. I've commented in my announcement that I have reviewed and offered feedback on everyone's drafts. I uploaded a document to the grading section comments for everyone to be able to access and download that particular document with feedback. Expectations are that you take my feedback into consideration. If it is a formatting issue, I suggest that you reacquaint yourself with MLA guidelines. If you need some help, I suggest you visit the Purdue Owl has a very good MLA section on how to set up a research essay. So moving over to the weekly modules. If we go into chapter 5, week 8, I will not post a lecture video this week. I think I've done enough of lecturing. Everybody should be aware of where they're at right now in this particular course. So I have the final instructions for the research essay assignment. Please read them carefully. Right? I'm looking for a minimum of 6 sources integrated into your essay draft. Must cross-reference to the works cited page, right? You just remember the formatting of the document. If you're unsure how to format a essay draft, I have an example here. It's a little bit of an older example, but I really like that topic for some reason on nanotechnology, okay? As I scroll here, you see some marvelous in-text citation, some really good examples how a document should look for a research essay. Let's see if I can scroll a little bit down. Right there we have the works cited page formatted according to MLA guidelines. As you see here, all of the citations have what's called the hanging indent. Google Docs can do that. Word can do that for you. It's real easy. You can look up the videos on YouTube on how to really work through that process. I think I even have one in the course here. All right. So this is this week's schedule. All right. Pretty straightforward. It's a wrap on it. No final discussion board reflection or anything like that. I thought we'd make this a pretty brief last week. I'm looking for the final drafts of the research paper. Please be aware that I will go through the drafts as they come in. I urge everyone to upload a readable format. Please do not provide me some obscure Google Doc link that is not shared where I don't have access to the document. I do not accept Pages documents. Please convert your documents to a PDF and upload it to Blackboard. If I have documented my thoughts on your draft extensively in the first draft, really don't look for a lot of comments in the final draft. I look to see if you've integrated my feedback, and I assess it on its value as you submit it as of Friday. All right? If you have any questions or issues that you need to discuss, I am around for emails all week long. Let's see what else. It's been a wonderful summer semester. Great essays, great topics this summer. So, good luck.